It is absolutely unacceptable to watch ads if you are a premium member, because you have already paid for all the characters. The next visual change is on microphone. You can't continue using the app unless you tap delete or save. It's an extra step you have to do. This might help new users, but what about intensive users? Once you tap on save, the next frame is automatically created. Write your opinion in the comments. Let us know if you are intensive user or new user and if you like it or not. Once your recording is saved, the button turns darker. I got a crash as I was producing this video right here, importing picture and changing the recording, so you might expect this as well. Save time. Don't add the visual effects at the beginning because the frames are copying exactly the same thing on the next one, so you will have to manually delete them. Unless you need the same visual effects in several frames, then you can add it at the beginning. Otherwise, it's time consuming. The help button seems to be thicker and thicker, but people in all the chats come with the same question. How do I save my video? So this really doesn't solve the problem. Problems with props and characters is just the same. Hi Ryan. By the way, exporting time haven't improved either. Thank you for watching.